We are now in our drawing segment, and it is possible to use a drawing accessory to make GENIBOT draw. Jackie, can you tell us about coding?
Okay, so one of the category of the coding card is about drawing cards. Okay, there are three different kinds of figures. The first one is a
Square, triangle, and circle.
Correct. So using this card, we can draw these kind of figures by GENIBOT. But we need an GENIBOT accessory to draw the figures. So this one is a pen holder, and you can find the right pen to fit this pen holder. Then how to connect? You can take out this plate.
Yes. The Lego attachment.
Yes. So this one is mountain, and then you can see the hole.
Yeah, a little groove there.
Yes, right? So only this face you can put this pen holder. The other side you can't because of this hole.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can put in here like this.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And then you can assemble again. Now you can take out the things.
That was a nice little pop.
Yes. Then put in here. It's very easy. So now I want to show how to draw the circle by GENIBOT. It's very simple. We can just touch, and this GENIBOT can draw the circle automatically. And then wow, this one is perfect circle. The size is not so big. Can you guess what is the radius of this circle?
Looks to me about 2 centimeters.
Yes, right. So the default of this circle, the radius is 2 centimeter and diameter is 4 centimeter.
Right.
Okay. The reason is that if the circle is too big, then we cannot draw the circle on the A4 size of paper. Okay. Yeah.
And GENIBOT will fall off the table.
Exactly. So we consider those kind of old situations.